Hey guys, welcome back to Delph and today I will be showing you how to change email on Instagram. So to do this process, first is you can just simply go ahead and open up your Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here on your Instagram, you just simply go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are on your profile, guys, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. So from here, when you tap on it, it will redirect you to the settings and activity. Now, here at the very top, you should be able to see Account Center. So you can just simply tap on Account Center over here. And now over here, you will have an option profiles and personal details. So go ahead and tap on it. Now over here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the bottom and you should be able to see here personal details. So here we have the contact info, which consists of my email that I'm using on this account. So you can just simply tap on contact info. Now over here, as you can see, this is all my contact information. Now you just simply tap on add a new contact. So tap on add new contact over here and you will have two options. You can either add a mobile phone number or an email. So I'm gonna go for add email. And now from here, of course, I could just simply go ahead and tap on my profile over here, Instagram down below. And of course, just simply provide your email over here. And as you can see, adding an email will replace my Instagram account. As you can see, the red one over here. So from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and add your new email. Now, just simply tap on next. And after that, guys, a code will be sent to you. So you can just simply go ahead and go to your email for the confirmation code and go ahead and check your email and provide the code. And once you have provided the code, guys, automatically your email will be changed into your Instagram and you could use that email to log in into your account. So pretty much if you followed these steps, this is how to change the email on Instagram.